So the next thing that we have here is the service functionality. Similar to iPhones, we have two options for service currently. One is service tickets and the next one is service orders. Service tickets, you can select your customers or you can enter a service ticket number just like on the iPhone and say view service tickets. That will display you all the details for that particular, for the service tickets assigned to that account. The next option that we have is service orders. Clicking on the service orders icon will display you the service orders where the employee responsible, basically the user of the BlackBerry device, is the employee responsible. So right now I have two service orders being displayed for the user ID. So let's go into the first one, which is plan maintenance 200888. And let's look on the SAP side that what are the details for this service process. So basically the sole party is media store, contact person is John Taylor. You can see that there are 4 line items assigned, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now the employee responsible on all these line items is the user of the BlackBerry device. That is why he sees all the line items on his phone. So let's go into the service order. Now you can see all the details that you just saw on the SAP screen. You can see your products, your install base, your components that are assigned to your service order. Now clicking on the menu button will give you again 3 options very similar to the iPhone application. We have view order items, view confirmed order items and create counter readings. So let me go into view order items first. Now since the user of the BlackBerry device was the employee responsible on all these line items, therefore he sees all the 4 line items being displayed on his device. So let's open one of the order items, which is the first one, plan maintenance. Now you can see all the details for the line item, what was the product, the quantity, the unit of measure, the status, if there was a net value assigned to it, your requested start and end dates, what was the first response by and to do by. Now when you hit the menu button, you will see an option for creating a confirmation for this line item. So just select create confirmation by hitting the menu button. This opens up the confirmation screen where you can see that all the details, the high-level details are copied over from your line item. Basically your order description, your sold to, your contacts, the install base, your products. Now if the actual quantity was different when the service is performed, you can change that. You can select your start of work. We can select what the duration type was. In this case it was hours and the actual duration was 8 hours, so we entered a value for that. Service type, let's say it was regular hours, and simply hit the menu button and select save. Now there we see that the confirmation number 276 is being displayed. Now let's go into the service order and look at the confirmation number. So there we go. It is created for media store, the sold to party, the contact is John Taylor. It is created for your line item 10. So if you scroll down on your item level, you will see that it was created for item 10 and the quantity was 10. So let's drill down further. You will see that the start of work is being displayed. Your actual duration was 8 hours, which we selected from the BlackBerry device. And you can see if you enter the other details, you will see them here as well. So now we're back to the service order. You can next go to your, so we see that line item 10 has been removed from this list because it is already confirmed, and you can see it under your view confirmed order items. Next, what we can do is we can go ahead and create a counter reading, which is another functionality that we have for your mobile device. So again, on the service order, hit your create counter reading option. Now some of the details are carried forward, but you can see that the counter is number of printouts. You can see a reference object, which is your service order. You can see the order number. The last value is 35,000, which is being displayed. The last reading date was 30th November. You can enter new value. The unit is by default. You can change this if you'd like. You can select your origin for this counter reading. In this case, it was a service employee. What was the reading type? Let's say it was a usage reading. And you can select your reading times. Now simply hit your menu button and say save. So you will see that your counter reading has been saved. So now let's go into SAP and see the counter reading actually being created. So now let's dig into the service order and see the counters assigned to it. So let's say we want to see number of printouts, and we see that the reading ID 192 was the one that we just created, and the value for that is being displayed as 37,322. And the reading type is a usage reading. So we just saw that we can easily, from the BlackBerry device, service employee can create confirmations for line items that where he is the employee responsible. He can also create counter readings. If there are multiple counters assigned, readings for multiple counters can be saved. The look and feel of the screens or the options in the drop downs can be configured. If there are additional fields to be added, that can be done easily. So this was an overview of the service functionality that we have for BlackBerry. Thank you.